Building gypsum is dehydrate gypsum by heating calcination, a hemihydrous gypsum formed by evaporating 1.5 water molecules. The device uses automatic paper feeding and tension control to spread the paper roll flat. Correction machine is needed to ensure smooth operation of paper. The mixer mixes all the ingredients. It is the heart of the production line to ensure the continuous operation of the equipment. After forming the liquid gypsum on the solidification belt to complete the initial setting, the initial set belt is a complete belt to ensure the stability of the gypsum board during solidification. Conveyor roller is made of stainless steel material to play the role of gypsum board heat dissipation. Cutting machine with double servo control cutting precision error is low. The backing paper is wider than the face paper. To avoid blowing it open in the hot air of the dryer, turn the drywall upside down. Dryer energy consumption determines profit. We use thickened insulation board ceiling strip to ensure that the temperature does not lose. Graphite bearings are used for internal operation to ensure normal operation at high temperature. After the completion of drying, the plate is fed into the two horizontal system. In order to keep the face paper clean, two sheets of drywall face paper are joined together. Fixed length edge cutting and automatic edge wrapping for gypsum board. This system saw and wrapped the edge of the double layer plate. The domestic advanced automatic edge wrapping system is adopted. It reduces product cost and improves production efficiency. The finished product is sent to the automatic stacker for stacking. The maximum load-bearing capacity of the palletizer is 5 tons. There is an energy storage station with the function of quick rise and quick fall. After the stacking is complete, the packing system is entered. The packing machine inserts the plaster pad automatically, bind and fix by strapping machine. Then the packaging machine for all-round packaging. The finished gypsum board after packaging is sent to the finished product factory warehouse or factory sales.